In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Homebase time clock effectively. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your timekeeping process, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get up and running smoothly. First, let's begin by locating the time clock icon. You'll find this positioned conveniently at the top right of your Homebase app interface. Why is it placed here, you might wonder? Well, the designers wanted to ensure easy and quick access, as clocking in and out is a task you'll be doing regularly. Now, once you've spotted the time clock icon, your next step is to decide between two options to fit your particular setup. You'll see Launch Shared and Launch Personal. So, what's the difference between the two? If you're on a device used by multiple team members, you might want to choose Launch Shared. However, if this is your own personal device, Launch Personal is a good choice. This flexibility ensures that Homebase adapts to your unique work environment, keeping things seamless. Moving on, after you've selected your launch option, it's time to access the clock interface. A quick click on Go to Time Clock will get you there. This straightforward step brings you directly into the clock interface where all the magic happens. The design is user-friendly and intuitive, and it ensures that tasks like clocking in or out are as stress-free as possible. Once you're in the clock interface, it's time to clock in. You'll do this by tapping on Clock In. For those needing an extra layer of security or identity confirmation, you may be prompted to enter your PIN. This step helps maintain the integrity and accuracy of time-tracking data, holding you accountable and, of course, ensuring that only the right employee records their time. Using the Homebase time clock is a breeze once you get the hang of it. Taking the time to understand its interface will help you make the most of its features, promoting better time management and productivity in your work environment. Remember that this system is designed to make clocking in and out as effortless as possible, allowing you to focus more of your energy on the actual tasks at hand. With these instructions, you should now feel confident using the Homebase time clock. It's indeed a powerful tool designed to simplify and streamline your workday. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps or explore further resources if you ever find yourself needing a refresher or encounter something new. Thank you for joining us today, and happy clocking in.